Hey, what's up, guys? And in this class, we will see how to generate the automatic certificate for your course that is created by you. So, in order to create a certificate, you just have to go to the canva.com and search for template certificate over here. You will see few templates over here. You can just select whatever template that you want, uh, or you can create a template of your own. Okay, so let me just select this template. Okay, so I will select this template over here. So when it comes to the certificate basically has the name of the person, then the authority who has created it, and then the name of the course which a person has completed. Okay, so what you can do is you can over here you can put your signature, then the stem of your authority and all. Okay, so let's see whether this is good or not. Okay, it is not working. I don't know for what reason. Okay, so now what I'll do is over here I want name of my student or user. Okay, so because of which I will remove this particular thing. I will select everything over here and I will just increase its size little bit. Okay, so you can just put this down below. This is basically the authority who is responsible for this. Okay, so what you can do is you can just design this. Let me just pause this video for a while, otherwise this will be too lengthy. So I will design the required things over here, and I will tell you how to upload the certificate and all. Okay, so as of now I'm just stopping this video. Okay, so now what I'll do is I will just increase this size by 21, no, 28. Okay, and I will do the very same thing with this also. I will increase this size by 28. Okay, so now what I'll do is I will say click on this download over here, and I will download in the form of JPEG. I will say show in folder, and this is that. I will just drop it on the desktop. Now let me just upload my certificate. Okay, so go to certificates tab over here, click on the certificates, click on add the first certificate. Okay, so after you come over here, you will basically get this option over here, set the featured image. Click on this set the featured image, then go to the upload files, then you have to search for that file. This is that file. I will upload it. Now this is set as featured image over here. Just scroll up, and whatever certificate that you are creating, will see the visuals of the certificate over here. Okay, and if you don't want this sidebar and all, then click on this tab over here and it will be gone. Okay, so click on text, click on image,